美伊戰爭拍到打這美國總統川普是來發表全國的演說，講這場戰爭呢拍也有了真成功，這核心的目標也咧要完成啊。也毋過到底當時要來停火，這川普呢並無講明，敢若講未來2-3禮拜內會全力來攻擊伊朗，甲因降轉去石器時代。等到這戰爭結束，荷姆茲海峽自然就會重新開放。
這場在美國暗時黃金時段登場的總統演說，川普一開嘴就是宣布美軍在對伊朗的軍事行動當中贏甲足徹底。
In these past 4 weeks, our armed forces have delivered swift, decisive, overwhelming victories on the battlefield. Victories like few people have ever seen before. Tonight, Iran's navy is gone. Their air force is in ruins. Their leaders, most of them terrorist regime they led, are now dead.
川普講發表這屆演講是為着要來說明，此時怒火行動對着美國也個世界安全是為什麼會這重要？若是伊朗離製造核武敢若剩一卡步，美國已經把這個設施當中拍甲密密麻麻，自歷史以來無敵軍在這麼短的時間內，向拍甲這麼淒慘，而且損失甲這麼大。
Our armed forces have been extraordinary. There's never been anything like it militarily. Everyone is talking about it, and tonight I'm pleased to say that these core strategic objectives are nearing completion. We're going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong.
川普嘛講上界困難的部分已經完成啊，所以刷落來應該真輕鬆。若這場衝突結束的時陣，荷姆茲海峽自然就會開放。
They're going to want to be able to sell oil because that's all they have to try and rebuild. It will resume the flowing, and the gas prices will rapidly come back down. Stock prices will rapidly go back up. They haven't come down very much, frankly.
不過，伊嘛講嚴重依賴荷姆茲海峽的國家，應該承擔予油輪重新通過的責任。若是無法度摕到能源的國家，伊建議會使去甲美國買。
The countries of the world that do receive oil through the Hormuz Strait must take care of that passage. They must cherish it. They must grab it and cherish it. They can do it easily. We will be helpful, but they should take the lead in protecting the oil that they so desperately depend on.
川普在演說當中提兩屆世界大戰，也個韓戰、越戰甲伊拉克戰爭的時間來做比對，強調美軍敢若開32天的時間，伊朗就已經唔是威脅咯。伊嘛講，若是伊朗無要達成協議，刷落來就是要拍當地的發電廠，也個伊朗的經濟平面就是石油工業。公司新聞，洪如梅編譯。